Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ahmed Saeed, a herbal practitioner and a chiropractor. My camera has captured this plant today too. This plant is very common, well known, but I don't think you know the uses of this plant. I don't think you know the medicinal uses of this plant. If I'm going to tell you the uses of this plant today, we are not going home, but I'll try my best to let you know that this plant you see here like this, very powerful. Just listen to what I have to tell you. This plant is called the Madagascar Perencle. Madagascar Perencle, or the Catharanthus rossus, or fresh pink Catharanthus. All these names can be given to this plant. Okay? Now, let me tell you some of the medicinal benefits of this plant. Take your pen and paper and start writing it down. This plant is used in treating diabetes, cancers, sore throat, cough, insect bite. Okay? At the same time, for easing lungs congestion, this plant, diarrhea, vaginal discharges, throat alignment, chest pain, high blood pressure, inflammation, toothache, at the same time, water retention, what we call the edema. This plant, the one with the pink flowers, it can also be used for headaches, severe headaches, vertigo, poor memory, and bleeding gum. Look at one plant and look at the medicinal benefit of it. MashaAllah. God is wonderful. This is what God puts healing in. Now, with some herbs additional to this, with the support of some herbs additional to this, let me tell you some things this thing can cure that you'll be very amazed. 1, leukemia. Hello, are you there? Leukemia. 2, it improves cerebral blood flow. Now, when I talk of cerebral blood flow, what do I mean? This occurs as a function of normal aging phenomena. Okay? When I talk of improve cerebral blood flow, that is the meaning. This thing can help. 2, mycosis fungoids. Mycosis fungoids. Now, when I talk of mycosis fungoids, it's a type of skin cancer that affects your body, the T cells. This occurs when the white blood cells becomes cancerous. Okay? That's what we call the mycosis fungoids. Now, the Kaposi sarcoma. The Kaposi, I'm talking of some dangerous sickness, cancers. All these are cancers. This plant can help in curing them, additional to some plants that I won't mention here. Okay, Kaposi sarcoma, also known as the KS. It's a cancer that it causes lesion in the soft tissue. Okay, this Kaposi sarcoma is a cancer that causes lesion in the soft tissue. And then we also have the Wilms tumor. Okay, when we talk of Wilms tumor, it's a malignant tumor of the kidney. Okay, basically this kind of cancer occurs in children. Okay, yes, it occurs in children. And then we have neuroblastoma. This is a cancer found in the adrenal gland. okay, this neuroblastoma. All these things I'm mentioning are type of cancers, because I already told you that this plant helps in fighting cancer. Okay, so we talk of neuroblastoma. It is a cancer found in the adrenal gland. This plant with some additional plant can help in treating it. And then we have the last but not the least, we have the malignant lymphomas. Malignant lymphomas. This is a cancer of the lymphatic system. Okay, this is a cancer of the lymphatic system. Now, this small plant I have shown you in my camera today, look at how mighty it is in curing such serious, and I will call it chronic diseases or chronic cancers, that when the name is mentioned to you, you go back. This plant is very powerful. Let me also show you the last thing spiritually. When a child is born, and then it is called, I've forgotten how to say it in English, but I can say Asura Kakola. Yes, I don't know, I've forgotten how to put it in English, but if you get this plant, there is something you do and rub it on the skin of the child, that thing will stop. This plant, I'm talking of the Madagascar periwinkle, or the fresh pink Catharanthus, or the Catharanthus roses. This is it. A very powerful plant, small but mighty. Thank you very much.